Hakko FX888D is a compact, temperature-adjustable soldering station with a temperature range from 120 to 899 degrees Fahrenheit. The station features a digital display that can display degrees Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius, an optional password lockout to prevent accidental or unauthorized changes to temperature or settings, and a preset mode function that allows you to store up to 5 preset temperatures, which is a very handy feature when you want to quickly change the set temperature to suit a particular application. The FX888D also features a slender and lightweight soldering iron with an ergonomic design for comfort and ease of use, a ceramic heating element and sensor, which provides rapid heat up and fast thermal recovery, and an iron holder with dual tip cleaners, the traditional wet sponge, and the dry, non-abrasive brass coils. With a wide selection of tips for soldering surface mount and through-hole components, this little gem is an ideal soldering station for anyone's workbench. The FX888D, a compact, temperature-adjustable soldering station from Hakko.